First of all, remove all the 3 steppings from the machine. Now carefully remove the carton box. Now carefully open the PCB top cover. Now carefully remove the PCB from the refrigerator. The new PCB, it is having a OK sticker as shown in this video. Now replace this new PCB in the refrigerator. Reconnect all the connectors carefully. Now carefully fix the PCB cover. After replacing the PCB, provide power supply to the unit. Now provide power supply to the machine and check whether the LED is glowing or not. Also check whether display is fully functional. At last, check whether there is vibration coming in the compressor or not. The compressor should be operational. After checking all this, we can proceed for packaging of the unit. Kindly make sure the packaging is done as per the new unit only.